All right, I've got this little Mr. Buddy heater. Picked this up, plan to put it in an ice fishing tent. Not that I'm gonna ice fish, but I think this winter the ski facilities are gonna be closed due to pandemic, and so I kind of wanted a place to be able to get out of the weather a little bit, and thought it'd be nice to have for the patio and some other elements. I've got a couple other flavors of heaters, but I want something small, so let's see what we got. All right. Really in there. There we go. Okay. Nothing else in the box. Okay, let's see. Alright, so one of the things I liked about this versus the bigger one was that it had, someone else in those watching review said there's more variability in this, so you can kind of tweak it, whereas the little bit bigger one, I think it's just high, low, medium. It was kind of set in finite amounts. So this one, I think you can adjust a little better. So let me dig out my bottles and some stuff and we'll have a look at it. All right, dug out the propane. I've got a dozen of these things that are all partially full, which is kind of why I got this the other day, which I thought check this out. So the case is really overpriced, but anyway, could always get these 1 gallon tanks, and so I think this actually came with the adapter plug into there, but this is, I thought, pretty easy to haul around. Got that from backcountry.com, so that's for another day. But let's see if we can get this to go. So it's just magnetic there, so it's not the best retention feature, but all right, let's see. There we go. That was easy. Let it get warmed up. There we go. All right. We'll test a little while, then come back and review it after I've given it a couple goes.